So is it important for human society or not? Can you tell me why it is important? What goals will be fulfilled through this dimension? There are 5 goals we have read. Right understanding in every individual, prosperity in every family, fearlessness in society, coexistence with nature. So one is coexistence with nature. Second is fearlessness somehow, because resources will be available, and prosperity, है ना? So if you see this storage, exchange and distribution, it is very interesting. If you see the nature, we can easily observe that the system of storage is available everywhere, naturally, everywhere, है ना? For example, if you see your body also has a storage system. It stores the food. That's why you can live 2, 3, 5, 15 days without the food. Because body has natural system to store the things. Similarly, trees, they have natural system to store the water. That's why tree can run 2 days, 3 days without any water. Camel. So if you observe this design of nature, storage is available. Like sea, storage of water. So storage is available everywhere. But if you see those storage, there is one more characteristic. Those storage is available to enrich the other units. Those storage is available to enrich the other units. So if water is being stored naturally, it is to enrich other units. So birds come, take water, drink water. Similarly, similar example can be explored in nature easily. So this can be homework for you. You just observe the nature and see where storage is available. For example, this lake, water is stored. Now it is enriching ground gradually, ground level water. So the goal of exchange is to ensure the availability of necessary physical facilities and required services. So if there is a dimension of storage, then physical facility will be available to all of us. So storage is required to ensure the availability of physical facility. And it is happening naturally in nature. So we can also ensure this dimension. So storage is required at the time when people need. So like example I have given this, Ralegan Siddhi Gaon, grain bank. This is a storage system. So whenever there is a crisis in family, they can take from that bank. So this is storage system. Now we can exchange and distribute whatever we have stored with the feeling of relationship. So dimension of exchange is also required and dimension of distribution is also required. So dimension of exchange means whatever we have stored, now we are exchanging with each other. And while exchanging with each other, what is the basic requirement? To have a feeling of relatedness. If relatedness is not there, then I will store for myself, I will not exchange. Or I will exchange when you will be in more crisis with thrice times price, 4 times price. So exchange is required, and this is required with the feeling of relationship. And distribution is also required. What is the goal of distribution? For example, those family members who are not able to produce due to age, due to some mishappening, they have lost their members. If dimension of exchange is available, dimension of distribution is available, then we will distribute them with relatedness. So social security will be there. Social security will be there. Those who have been through some accident or natural calamity, suppose a person has lost hand or leg, now how will he produce? Then this dimension of distribution, dimension of storage will work. So that needy people can be fulfilled with this dimension. Lastly, those people who are working for transferring information, like our sage, saint, they are doing research on the consciousness. Now they are not producing anything, but they are communicating the reality. They are helping us at the level of mind. So they are not able to produce anything. With this dimension, the things will be available to them. So that few people who want to work on the consciousness, on the reality, they can do it. In job system, it is not possible. If you have inner urge, I will understand the consciousness, I will understand the reality, then there will be a fear in you. What will happen tomorrow? What will happen to my family if I am not earning? But if this dimension is working, then you don't need to take care. This dimension will take care. So that's why it was system in our tradition that if any saint has come at your door, you will not send him empty hand. You will give something, because he is not producing. He has invested a lot of time to understand the reality. Now he is distributing, exchanging information with resources. He will tell you the reality, you give him resources. Right? That's why this kind of tradition was in our India. So people were preconditioned that whenever you see saint, you give something, because he is not producing anything, but he is working most important work. He is searching the reality. Right? So in temples, so you need to take care of priest, pujari, etc. Because they are working most important work. They are trying to tie the whole society. Now you need to take care of them. So if this dimension is there, such kind of people will sustain. If dimension is not there, then this kind of work will not happen in the society. Right? So that's why dimension of exchange and distribution is very important. So distribution is even more important than exchange. Why? Distribution means to fulfill the requirement of every person in the family, where he is directly contributing in production or not. So if you see distribution, it is most important than exchange. For example, in family, we are distributing. Whatever I am earning, you are earning, you are distributing to your family members. So there is a grandfather, grandmother who is not able to produce, but you are distributing what you have earned. Your child, because of the age of the body, they are not able to produce, they are little. So you are distributing whatever you are earning. So distribution needs feeling of relatedness. So because we feel relatedness in family, so we distribute it. We are not exchanging. We are not asking our child what you are giving me. Whatever I have, I am sharing with you. So this dimension of distribution is very important. Similarly, we carry out the exchange in society on the this time. Leave it. So similarly, we can distribute with the feeling of relationship in society. So if this dimension exists in the society, then people will be fearless. People live with feeling of prosperity. So that's why you see in our tradition system, it is said that 10% of your salary should go to place where there is a worship, like temple. So that people who are not able to produce due to any reason, they should get an opportunity to feed themselves. So this kind of system was visualized that time. Right. So when we expand this distribution in society, there are activity like charity and other philanthropic work can happen. And all these work are important. Right. So we discuss. Now we can discuss right utilization. But before going this, we can discuss if you have any doubt. Storage, exchange and distribution. Storage, exchange and distribution. If money is at the center, is in this dimension, then problem will happen. If relationship is at the center, then we will not having any fear in the society. So exchange with the feeling of relationship. So for example, nature is distributing its resources with relationship. So we should also distribute whatever we have with relationship. So exchange, distribution and storage. This is important. We are not talking about these dimensions in our education system. We are talking about accumulation, not storage. We are talking about exchange on the basis of demand and supply, not with relationship. And we are not talking about distribution. That's why many issues persist in society in the lack of these dimensions. No. Store to distribute. Just for example, suppose because a needy people come to your house and he wants, you will be able to give if you have a storage. Otherwise, how will you give? So storage has been converted into accumulation. So accumulation means I am accumulating for myself. Storage means I am storing to distribute to the needy people, to the needy families. जी मैम माइक है ना सर प्लीज पास द माइक सर माइक
Yes, Bhaiya. So the previous session we were discussing, na? So at that time I thought of sharing this. Person from Trichy campus, he was telling about the one of the likewise prison ministry, it is there with us.
Which
right? Prison ministry. So every year during the month of December, second Sunday, all over across the globe, Mission Sunday we used to give it. And in Mission Sunday, what we do is offering, we specially give it only for the prisoners over there. This prison ministry, what does they work is, they go into the prison, see the prisoners, meet them, and they talk to them. If husband is there inside and their family members are outside, and if they are below poverty line, underprivileged or economically weaker section, so they know their problems, they understand it, of what circumstances he or she has come inside. So they go back. On behalf of them, they do the filing process in the courts, go for the justice process, and depending on the verdicts, people are being taken back, united with the family. Second thing, if he or she is inside and outside the family members are suffering, the needs, whatever the needs, that is being taken care by the prison ministry. Likewise, there is a particular set of society that they do this work itself entirely in the Christian missionaries. So this I wanted to share with the previous, so many activities were laid out. So it is prison ministry. So it is being done everywhere, all over, across India, everywhere.
Nice.
So you told we have to give for priest those things. So they are giving, they are thinking about consciousness. When they contribute to society only we have to give, or who didn't contribute also we can give? Only if they contribute to society we have to give, or who didn't contribute to society also can we give, distribute everything?
For needy people. So those who don't need, why will they take? They will be in a position to distribute. So definitely people like militant, we are not going to distribute them because they are not able to rightly use the resources. That's why we said needy people. So those kind of people don't need resources, they need counseling. Poor people means two things they need. One is resources, second is understanding, so that they may live with the feeling of prosperity. If you are not working on understanding, then they will be dependent on you for their needs. So upgrading their skills, upgrading their understanding with resources.
Regular job, something so that they can get.
Job and wisdom both. Similarly, if I am distributing only, but I don't have that wisdom, then I may come in ego. Because of me, society exists. With wisdom, I will be free from ego. I am distributing because I am able to see relatedness. So I am not doing any extra effort. It will happen because I have that wisdom. So distribution with relatedness is important. Otherwise, people donate many things and they write their name. And they take photo and upload on Facebook. So we are distributing with the relatedness. And when we have relatedness, I will take two responsibility. To ensure nurturing protection of their body and to ensure right understanding and right feeling in the self. Both are required.